This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Rachel Ruhl. Welcome to this beautiful home located in the Resort Wiregrass Ranch. Located on a premium water view lot, this popular CONRAD floor plan includes 5 beds, 4 baths, loft, family and living room, covered patio and 2-car garage west/3,381 square feet. Gourmet Kitchen west quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, 42 wood cabinets. The master suite features dual walk-in closets, luxurious tub with separate dual vanities, wood cabinets and quartz counters. Upgrades include beautiful hardwood staircase and flooring throughout second level. First floor features 20 by 20 porcelain tile throughout, crown molding, tile roof, brick pavers, landscaped, and automatic sprinkler system completes this home. In this resort style clubhouse, you'll truly experience luxury. The recreation area will include a covered patio overlooking the pool, west beach entry and water slide, pool area, fire pit, wet play activity center, lap pool, 4 lighted clay tennis courts, full basketball court, beach volleyball court, shaded tot lot, open play field and party pavilion. Inside you will enjoy a social hall, catering kitchen, indoor sports complex, game room, a multi-purpose room for fitness classes, and a fully equipped fitness center. A full-time social director will enhance your resort lifestyle with clubs, activities, events and more. Conveniently located near I-75 on SR 56 and minutes from Wiregrass Mall, Tampa Premium Outlets, Florida Hospital.